Good evening, this is Michael O'Leary, the CEO of Ryanair. I'm speaking to you from our operations centre, where in the last half an hour we've had another drone closure of Dublin Airport. This is the 6th drone closure Ryanair has suffered in the last 5 weeks. It is unacceptable that our flights have now to 3 flights have diverted to Shannon and to Belfast this evening, while our Minister for Transport sits on his hands doing nothing. Tomorrow this Minister for Transport will be out telling the world that he's having more meetings. He's been holding meetings for the last 5 or 6 weeks. Meanwhile, Dublin Airport is the most disrupted airport by drones in Europe. Heathrow, Gatwick, Paris, Charles de Gaulle, Schiphol are not suffering these closures. It is unacceptable that we have an incompetent Minister for Transport who has done nothing for 5 weeks to protect Dublin Airport from these drone strikes. I want to apologise to our passengers who have been diverted this evening, and I would call on them to write to Minister for Transport Eoghan Ryan to stop holding meetings, to stop talking about action and take action tomorrow. Dublin Airport is entitled, passengers using Dublin Airport are entitled to the same services as they get at every other airport in Europe, and that is freedom from drone closures, which we've now had to endure for 6 weeks in a row. Minister Ryan, it's time to stop talking, stop sitting on your hands and do something useful for Irish transport for a change. Instead of holding meetings, fix the drone problem at Dublin Airport. Thank you.